Sorry.
Señor, ¿cómo está?
Mal, necesito...
¿Cómo estás?
No, no muy bien.
¿No muy bien?
No, necesito...
What happened?
La verdad, estaba yo trabajando bien, pero pues agarré un poquito el vicio, pero no estoy tan bien. No estoy tan bien.
Sí, sí.
Sí,
¿Mucho
disculpe.
trabajo?
Mucho trabajo, sí. Con Chinese guys.
Mucho trabajo, right?
Sí, mucho trabajo, sí.
Mucho dinero, too.
Now no trabajo. Now I don't have money. I need it.
Oh, now no have money?
No.
Oh, I thought you too much trabajo.
Yeah, too much work. Yeah.
Now no more money?
And now no money.
Why?
For too much drink.
Huh?
Too much drink.
Too much drink?
Yeah, now. Maybe next week no more.
Oh, too much drink.
Yeah, now. Yeah.
Oh, that's why no more money.
Next week no more drink.
Who told you drink?
Work.
Who told you drink?
Liquor.
Who told you to drink?
Vodka.
Vodka?
Uh-huh.
You drink yourself or somebody tell you to drink?
No, only me.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Too much drink, no good, okay?
No good, I know.
No good.
Not good. I don't understand.
You have home?
Yeah.
You have home?
Yeah, I need it.
You have home? Where you sleep?
Here, maybe church, I don't know.
Okay. So, where's your family? No family?
Mexico.
Mexico?
My country, Mexico.
You have wife, kids
Yeah.
here? New York?
No, Mexico.
No here.
No, here. No.
Okay.
Only here, I got only one brother, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
No more drink tomorrow, okay?
no more drink.
I'm gonna give you some money for you, what I have.
I should.
Alright?
All right, thank you.
Okay. This is the YouTube video, okay? This YouTube video, okay?
Okay,
Alright, I'm gonna give you some money. Let me see how much I have, okay?
all right.
Alright. So be careful. Don't drink.
I should.
If you drink, that kill you.
Okay,
Drinking is no good.
not good, I know.
Okay? Somebody give you money, but try to eat food, okay?
Yeah.
Just eat food and don't drink. If you
Uh,
drink, you die.
I food now, right now, very food. I eat food. But the only one, I small, but the bar was small, the 450, that's it, no more. No,
Yeah, probably is too much.
No,
I don't drink
but no,
nothing.
only right now, I finish everything at the night time.
Ah,
Night time,
yeah,
that's it. No finish 1 hour or 2 hours, no. Maybe 6 hours I finish a small bottle. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me give you some money I have. So my train is coming. Gracias. Your name? What's your name? Your name? What's your name?
The bottle is 450.
450?
Yeah.
Okay. I have some money. That's all I have. Okay?